Welcome to this instructional tutorial review and unboxing of the LED rechargeable bicycle horn. Okay, so let's take a look at the box. Okay, so let's open the box. Okay, so here's the horn. These are the lights that light up. And here's the control. As you can see, it's marked horn and light. Right here is the charger port. Right here is the charger cable. And here is the mounting bracket. Okay, so to mount it, it rests on the handlebar like so. Here is a non-slip grip surface on one side. And then you open this to release the bracket right there, and then you can put this through like so. Reinsert it back in. And you can put the nut like so. As you turn this, it gets tighter. So depending on the thickness of the handlebar, it will tighten and hold the horn firmly in place. Okay, so I'm going to charge the horn. Okay, now to change the sounds, you need to press and hold down the horn and let it run. As you're holding it down, the sounds will change. Okay? Okay, now to activate the lights to stay on, press and hold down the light button right here. Now let go. Now if you want to change the lights from being steady to blinking to different colors, just tap the light button. As you can see, it's getting bright and dimming. Now it's blinking quickly. Now it blinks slowly, then goes off shortly, then goes on again. Now it's blinking blue. Now it's blinking red. Now it's blinking blue and red. Now it's on steady. Okay, now to turn the lights off, just press and hold down the light button. And now it's off. Use the horn, the lights will always turn on as the horn is sounding. Okay, so let's go for a test and see how it goes. Okay, so there you have it. This was a review of the rechargeable LED bicycle horn. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.